Do you offer bulk messaging with your platform?
Very selectively. I mean, like we want to chat with the customer before doing anything wrong, because most users think about spam. Like I want to send a message to a user base that is there but is not there. So we prefer to check what they want to do for real. Who is the user who is going to receive the message? If they have GDPR, of course, and what's the message about? No, because sometimes it's very spammy, and I don't think it's going to help them. As a business, I mean, it's not like for the user, but for you as a business, I don't think it's the right way to go. I think it's better to build a relationship. That is what I think WhatsApp is main for. Yeah. And if you need to send a broadcast message, I think newsletters or ads, I think is a better tool for that.
Yeah, and that's why I believe in WhatsApp, because you can't permit to send spammy or too much ads, because when people click on, hey, I don't want this message, it affects your it affects your account, and you can get blocked. So you have to always think about how valuable is my message for the one who receives it. And with email marketing, for example, you don't care. You do it out, and when you get blocked, your IP gets blocked. You get to another IP, and you do the same again. So, you, for example, when you send someone a message, WhatsApp also asks, is this a message you want? If you click, no, I don't want a message. It affects your
the quality of the account.
The quality of the account. So, and you can't. It's. You have to be very careful as a company, and that's why I believe in WhatsApp as a marketing tool, for example, for the future.
Yeah, and I think Meta has good things, bad things, but I think what they are doing with WhatsApp API, that is all about quality, knowing who is the owner of the number, and who is the company behind the number. I mean, all that verification that they are doing, I think really improves the quality of the channel, no? Because you need to do. I mean, it's like I don't know if it's the same in the Netherlands, but in Spain we have a lot of SMS that is pure spam. Like you receive an SMS that is, hey, you have a new notification from your bank, and it's a spam. I mean, it's a scam. I mean, it's probably fraud directly. And telco companies enable that. I mean, you can send an SMS from a bank name without any verification, and that's crazy. I mean, if you think about it, it's like, I mean, that should be forbidden. And what WhatsApp is doing that, no? I mean, if you want to send a message, you need to prove you are the company holder, and you need to prove you're going to send a proper message, and then you can send it. So
and then, it's our referee. It's our referee, like with football. It's our referee, and